In number 26, the bottom was cut off, but that was x squared plus 9x plus 18. So you should factor that denominator and then do partial fraction decomposition. I think the answer key does a pretty good job. So if you have a question on that one, please ask. For number 27, they were supposed to give us this first part up here, the actual acceleration vector. Since we're talking about the velocity vector when t is 0, we need to go from the acceleration to the velocity vector by doing the integral. When you do that, don't forget about your constants. To find the constants, we can use this initial value when t is 0. The horizontal and vertical components were 1 and 0, so the constants are 0. Therefore, this is our velocity vector. The problem asks for how fast it's moving. So it's asking for the speed, and the speed will just be the absolute value of that. So our answer can be found by taking the absolute value of this vector, which is the magnitude of the vector, which we'll use a Pythagorean theorem for, when time is 2. So the horizontal component of our velocity vector will be cosine of 2 pi, which is 1, and 2 squared plus 2 is 6. So the magnitude of this velocity vector will be the speed. Conceptually, this makes a lot of sense, because if we are graphing these velocity vectors in the plane, horizontal velocity is 1, our vertical velocity is 6, which means this represents its total speed in the direction it's moving. And that will be the square root of 1 squared plus 6 squared. And there's our answer, which is choice C.